this is Happy Harper, and today we're making Rice Krispie treats. Next we need a pan, a spray, a spatula, and first step, put the butter into the pan on low heat. Make sure to grab an adult or big sister to help pour in the mushrooms. There we go. Next, carefully take the pan off the heat. Now pour in all of the Rice Krispie treats. It might seem a lot. That should be good. Now, time to stir. Grease the pan first. So, it's going in. I'm gonna go real close to it. Looks like a bunch of spider webs. And you can use a spatula to scrape all the things off the spoon. Now pat it down. Make sure you get it all the way to the side. And it actually looks super cool, and it actually will get together. So now we're gonna cut it. It's so good. You can make it special and how you want it by adding like chocolate chips or M&Ms and all that stuff. Hi guys, this is super easy and fun. You can definitely do this at home.